guys? It's Mad Attack, and I have one of the most exciting videos ever. I have a handboard unboxing. Let's just get straight into it. Okay. Alright, so made the cut. So a little bit more cutting. I think that will do the job. That should be good. Alright, so here it comes out of the box. So, here it is. I did get the Swirlicious kind. So on the back it says, be sure to tag #handskate so we can like your stuff. And if you prefer a totally broken handboard, please stand on it. So that's probably telling you if you stand on it, it will break. So don't do it. And let's just cut straight into this. Do this side. Actually, you know what? I didn't want to cut the handboard, but, I mean, whatever. Some nice plastic wrap. Keep it nice and safe during the shipping. I don't get why it's taking so long to open a package. Alright, so we got the board right here. Feels nice and smooth. Tools. And the board itself. So I just landed a kickflip first try, and I have no experience with handboards whatsoever. Oh man. I did it again. I'm so good at kickflips. So I'm gonna take this to another spot and we'll do some tricks. Alright, so we moved spots and we got the handboard. Grip tape is really grippy. So this is me doing this on the regular table. This is me doing this on the handboard. Nice and grippy. So I watched a couple of videos on how to handboard, and I have no experience with them. And I tried a kickflip for sure. Let's try to do an ollie. So another kickflip. Let's see if we can do double. What the heck is that? Yeah. So let's try to do a shove it. It's pretty easy. Double. 3 shove. Kickflip. Nollie. Why can't I do nollie? That's weird. It's supposed to go like that, or is it supposed to go like... That's weird. So, Handskate Incorporated. I got the Swirlicious kind. I thought it looked pretty cool. With all the colors. Reverse kickflip. I can't do that. Oh, maybe I can, but I went the wrong way. Alright, so now we're going to be doing some handboard tricks around my house. Let's go.
The Atlanta blue, then there's the sun.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a big fat thumbs up. And if you want to see more handboarding videos, comment down below. And if this video gets to, I have no idea. Comment down below how much likes you want this to get to have another handboarding video. See you in the next. Okay.